Managing business-to-business relationships in your system is easy with the Companies tab. If you are managing company lists before getting your CRM or want to move your data to an external system, these new bulk actions will make your job easy. Let's learn how to use them. To create new companies or update existing ones with a CSV file, head to the Smart Lists tab in the Contacts section and click Import. Click Next, then add your CSV file. Map the information to the corresponding fields inside the system, then click Start Bulk Import. To export multiple company records, head to the Companies tab in the Contacts section. In there, select the companies you want and click Export. These bulk actions help you maintain easily updated information, increasing your efficiency during data migrations and creating a seamless management that allows you to simplify reporting, analysis, and data sharing. Now you can easily manage large company datasets, speed up system migrations, and share data with external teams or stakeholders, helping you effectively eliminate the need for manual management. We hope you enjoy it.